Hello, hello. My name is Emily Radecki. I am an online English teacher from the Chicago area. I've been teaching English as a second language to children all over the world for about 6 years now. So I've taught with several different teaching platforms in the past. I've had it with Zoom. I have found my way home to KoalaGo. I think that this teaching platform is the very best for teaching children online. My teaching style is very warm and energetic. I am very kind. I am very exciting. I want my kids completely engaged because if I feel they're just repeating the words and just kind of like zoning off into space, kids can go through a lesson without truly paying attention. And so I do everything that I can to make sure that their lessons are super fun. And I do that with the help of KoalaGo, who allows us to teach with several different super interactive capabilities. KoalaGo has a shared browser that the students can interact with along with the teacher at the same time. It also has these awesome whiteboard slides that both the student and the teacher can participate in. But my favorite part of teaching on KoalaGo, as many of you might know, is teaching in the playground. So I get a lot of questions on how to do this and also how to communicate to the student, especially when you're teaching a child who does not speak English as a first language, what to do in the playground. So I've created an activity that I'm going to show you today called Intro to Playground, how to play Bootcamp. So I'm going to just kind of pretend like I'm the teacher teaching a student and demo to you how I would go about this first lesson. So first, I just want to show you when I'm going through a lesson with a student that I've already had, or maybe a pop-in group lesson, I always show some kind of slide. This is a common one that I will use to do a quick view of what we're going to do in the playground. I will also ask them what kind of device they're using before we get started. Are you using a laptop or PC, or are you using an iPad? Because that's going to help me understand if they are having some trouble, how I can communicate to help them while we're in the playground. So that would be a quick helper, is to just have a slide that you show before you pop into the playground in one of your regular lessons. Another slide that I've created that's in this activity that shows what the kids see on an iPad. So there are these little toggle buttons. The left one is to walk. If you push it up, they will go forward, left or right. And then the right one, it will adjust their view to look up or down. So if they want to look down at the floor for like a sticky note or a game board, and then they can just use that center button to jump. All right, so I'm going to pop us into the playground to show us this activity, and I am going to be the teacher and you are going to be the student. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Let's look at the board. Look. Good, good, good. Walk. Walk. Look, walk, walk. Okay? Let's walk. Awesome. Walk straight. Do you see? Click the I button. Can you click the I button? Awesome! Can you see? Yes! Okay, walk. Ooh! You're in the tunnel. Walk straight in the tunnel. Wow, good job. Star for you. Walk. Ooh, now look. Jump. Can you jump? Awesome. Or spacebar. Can you tap spacebar and walk? Walk, walk, walk. Tap. Tap. Good. Jump. Uh-oh. Okay. Tap, jump, walk. Good. Walk, jump. Walk, jump. Awesome. You got it. Ooh, look. Look. Jump up. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Can you jump up the stairs? Okay, walk, walk, jump. Good. Jump. Good job. How about another star? You did it. Now, we're going down. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good job. Now look. Drag the pictures. Drag. Okay? Do you see the happy face? Do you see it? Click, drag. Click, drag. Can you click and drag? Yes! Awesome job! You did it! Okay. Do you see the heart? Yes. Can you click and drag the heart? There you go. Wonderful. You did it. Now, do you see a star? Do you see it? Can you click and drag the star? Good. Yes, you did it. Great job. Wonderful. Okay, now walk, walk, walk. Look, you did good. Smiley face. Ooh, fun. Let's build. Do you see the box? Box? Click the box. Then click the blocks. Box, blocks. Box, blocks. Now let's build. Very good. You did it. Excellent. Star for you. 4 stars. Well done. Walking, walking. Good job. Now let's change your character. Can you look? Click the girl. Do you see the girl? Click the girl. Good. Skin, cheeks, eyes, eyeglasses. What do you like? Awesome. How about hair? Purple hair. I love it. Good job. Let's keep going. Look, you did it. 5 stars. Wonderful. Are you ready to play? Let's go. Walking, walking. What do you see? Wow. Now let's play. I see a shark. Oh no. Okay. Jump, jump. Good. All right. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. Do you see letter D? Where is D? Click and drag. Where is D? Awesome. What starts with D? D. Dog. D, A, G. What letter says ah? A. Do you see a fish? Click and drag the fish. Awesome. Turn. Good. Let's roll the dice. Can you tap the dice? Yes. What number is it? Good. 1, 2. What color is it? Yes, it is green. Good job. Okay, so that was a quick demonstration of how to teach a lower level English speaking student how to use the playground for learning and not just for playing and deleting. I think it's really important to keep in mind that we set the expectation of what we want to do in the playground. It is very important and completely fair to communicate to the student and communicate to the parents that we use this space for learning and not just for playing. So the expectation is that the student would participate with the teacher just as they would with the whiteboard slides. And when the kids see that we can actually do the learning in the playground, they're not going to want to lose that privilege. It is a privilege and it is super, super fun. So if I do have a student that is newer and maybe just gets overwhelmingly excited, and there are a few things that I will do. Without trying to take complete control of the lesson, I will do something like walking in front of the student. Hey, James, I see you having fun. Let's go over here. Do you need help? Come, follow me. There are a few key words that I teach my students. Follow me. Do you see this? Follow me. Walking. So keeping some keywords, simple keywords that we're going to use in the playground is going to help you communicate better to your ESL students. Another thing that I might use to my advantage, if I have students that are just getting a little overwhelmingly excited and deleting things or just doing things that I don't necessarily want to spend our valuable time in our classroom doing, would be to use this little button right here to bring the screen full screen. And truly that's enough to the student. That's enough for them to understand because you just took their world away. And sometimes I'll just do that and smile because I promise you, if you set the expectation and communicate to them that we're going to learn, and the parents also have communicated to them that the teacher has activities for you that you have to follow along with, just like in school. So they know what they're doing. If they are deleting things or jumping off the cliff or just kind of ignoring you, they know that they're doing it. The test is to see if you can reel them back in. So just they find it funny when I pop them full screen. And I just look at them like, what are you going to do now? And so they laugh and we go back again. And I just say, oh, let's go this way. Do you want to try again? I think another really key thing here is to make sure that you are a confident teacher in the playground. You need to have the confidence to lead this activity. There are ways to verbally direct a class, and that's what you have to have the confidence to do in KoalaGo. Keep it positive, be energetic, and just make your lessons fun. And honestly, I have more fun teaching in the playground. So anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'm going to publish this activity so that you can also use it with your students, and I hope you enjoy that too. So thanks so much and happy teaching.